If you love to get rid of the straps on your nasal CPAP mask, the Bleep Sleep Eclipse might be perfect for you. It's made here in the United States, and it comes with a nice diffused exhalation port so that it's not to disturb your sleep. They spoiled me with 2 boxes of Eclipse Halo rings, which should last me for an entire month, and this nice tube holder to help keep the pressure off my nose. It comes completely assembled with the diffuser material in place and a little Velcro strap to keep it all together, which is easy for anyone to use. The Halo stickers you trim around to fit your nose, and they have such a satisfying snap. Let's give it a test sleep and see how we like it. See you in the morning.